Launch an online course or membership site. Launching an online course or membership site is a great idea in 2020 to earn a great money, but you need to take few measures before doing this. Number 1, figure out what topics are in demand by looking at which courses are selling well already, and make sure that your version stands out among the crowd. All of that sounds great, right? So what's preventing you from creating and selling a new online course right now? The short answer is that there's a ton of detail to figure out first. For example, should you start with an existing course tool like Udemy or Kajabi? Or should you try manual piece something together with a bunch of different independent software products like WordPress or WooCommerce? If you go through my opinion, Kajabi.com is best. Number 9, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting the products or services of another person or company in the exchange for a commission on the resulting sale. Affiliate marketers join affiliate programs, find reputable affiliate products to promote and then share those products with their audiences. When a buyer completes the sale process, the merchant checks the sale record for a cookie identifying the source of the referral. The merchant pays the affiliate commission at the end of each payment period, that is revenue sharing. This is a very profitable business in 2020, and a person can earn up to, as a beginner, $1,000 per month, and that's a big amount, but you need few experience before doing this. Number 8, Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program that allows website owners and bloggers to create links and earn referral fees when customers click through and buy products from Amazon. It's completely free to join and easy to use, and when they do, you can earn up to 10% in referral fees. Now you all will have a big question that how do you become an affiliate or Amazon associate? Now there is a step-by-step guide. Create an Amazon affiliate link, explain how you drive traffic to your site, enter your phone number, choose your payment method, and can make thousands of dollars per month. Number 7, virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is anyone who offers services to other business owners from afar in exchange for an agreed upon fee. Here are few examples what kind of work a virtual assistant does. Number 1, customer support. Number 2, processing online orders and refunds, website design, content research, keyword research, data entry, editing videos, social media management, etc. and many more works a VA does. You can make approx $50 to $100 per hour in this, and it's a big amount. Number 6, become a freelancer. Essentially, a freelance job is one where a person works for themselves rather than for a company. While freelancers do take on contract work for companies and organizations, they are ultimately self-employed. Freelancers are not considered employees by the companies they work for, but rather contractors. A freelancers need to define their goals, they need to find a profitable niche, they need to identify their own clients to target them, they need to set strategic price for their own service, build high quality portfolio websites, create examples of what they can deliver to their customers. But get one thing, don't mix your day job priorities with freelance business. It's very serious thing. You can make up to $31 per hour. Number 5, podcasting. When it comes to podcasting, Anchor is probably the most well-known free podcast platform. The link is in description. Their main focus is on mobile podcasting, but you can also use their web interface to edit and manage your episodes. They have a built-in ad platform, easy editing of your audio files, and are constantly updating with new features. One big downside is that you can't change the email address in your RSS feed, which is used to verify your podcast on many services. Now, on earning side, with podcasting, you can make up to $100 per podcast in beginning subscription. Number 4, drop shipping. In 2020, drop shipping is the best business idea to earn money with high profit margin, and people have become millionaire doing this. In drop shipping, there is a simple method of earning. You should have a website. You have to research for winning products and sell that products with high profit margin of your to the customer by Facebook ads, influencers, or many other things. There is a simple method in this, that there is a manufacturer, you means your website, and your customer. You take a product description, add its photo, its profitable price on your website, and a customer buys that product, and the manufacturer delivers the product, and you have the profit. You can earn up to thousands of dollars doing this per month as an extra income, and it's a great source of income. If you need to start this, the link is in the description. You have 14 days free trial in Shopify. Number 3, blogging. Nowadays, many people are earning through blogging. You need to find just a topic which has high conversion rate and then just write details about it and your own views on it, and just go on with many different topics. It's search easy. Now you will have a question: where to start, how to start, when will I get paid? There are many questions before starting blogging. I also had these many questions. See, now it's simple. You can just go on blogger.com and have a free blogging startup. The link is in description. I would like to say that the people who love to write or know content writing can earn money from a simple blog. Simple means a single blog. A beginner can make up to $300 to $500, and an experienced can make up to $3,000 and many more. But you need to know what is blog and how to write a content. Number 2, do translation work. Translation is the communication of meaning from one language, the source, to another language, the target. The purpose of translation is to convey the original tone and intent of a message. There are many apps who hire a translator. Google Translator hires a freelancer who can translate many languages into many, and they get paid for it because it's a rare skill. If you know this, then just do it and earn a extra hustler income. Before knowing the number 1 business idea to earn without any skills or any else investment, just subscribe, on the notification bar, on the bell icon, and just like, share, and comment on this post. So now the number 1 business idea to earn without investment is become a YouTuber. Now just listen one thing that I tell you. YouTube makes millionaires every month, every year. Once again, YouTube makes millionaires every month and every year. Now you are shocked listening this. Many people earn through YouTube and have become a millionaire doing this, just posting a video, uploading it, getting high views, subscribers, and just earning millions. In this, a 11-year-old boy is earning 11 million a month with just giving information about new toys which are coming in the market. Only information about the new toys coming in the market and he is earning 11 million. There are many more examples of people earning from YouTube. If you need to become a YouTuber, I would like to suggest you, if you have high quality communication skills or few editing skills, then you should become a YouTuber. Start a YouTube channel. You need to just decide a topic, gather information on it, record your sound or video, and just go on. It will take few months to understand you about YouTube, and you will just go on for your first $1,000. For earning money from YouTube, you need to first make a channel. You should have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watch time on your channel, then you can be participated in YouTube. If you like the video, just subscribe, like and share. And if you have any questions regarding any of the top 10 topics, then hit a comment below and I will make a video on it and give A to Z information on how, where, when and why to start. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.